Hello everyone and welcome to Credit Finance. In today's video, I bring you an update regarding the 2023 P-Ebt. We actually have 4 states that have been approved to provide the P-Ebt benefit for the school year 2022 through 2023. There's also more good news for P-Ebt beneficiaries since the USDA just announced 2023 summer P-Ebt, and of course, all the details are in this video. We also have a couple of new states that will start sending relief checks in the month of January. And that's regarding the 2023 state stimulus check. So make sure guys, stay until the end of this video to ensure that you receive this information. Now before we get started, if you are interested in the latest news regarding stimulus check, child tax credit, SNAP, P-Ebt and everything in between, so make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below. So let's start off this video with the P-Ebt benefits amount. Remember, once again we are talking about the school year 2022 through 2023. Here we have the daily totals, so it seems like it's going to be 18 and 18 cent. For the contiguous United States, then for Alaska 12.83, Hawaii, Guam, Virgin Islands in Puerto Rico it's going to be $9.45, and here we have the list of states that have been approved so far to provide the P-Ebt school year 2022 through 2023 benefits. And this is the updated list as of January 17th, and the 4 states that haven't approved so far include New Jersey, North Carolina, Vermont and Wisconsin. So remember guys that students must meet an eligibility criteria in order to receive the P-Ebt school year 2022 through 2023 benefits. So when it comes to school age children's eligibility, the children do not receive free or reduced price meals at the school because the school closed or has been operating with reduced attendance or hours for at least 5 consecutive days due to the COVID emergency in the current school year. So if a child receives a school meal at the school while they are attending in person, then they are ineligible for P-Ebt benefits on that day. And then when it comes to children in child care, children under the age of 6, the child care facilities is closed or has reduced attendance or hours for at least 5 consecutive days, resulting in the child's inability to attend the facilities. So let's dive into some additional details, starting off with the state of New Jersey for children under the age of 6 or children in care. So the state of New Jersey statements that it will issue $70 million to approximately 13,000 SNAP enrolled children in child care for September 2022 through June of 2023. Now the state will issue an average benefit to all eligible children statewide for the months New Jersey experienced a reduction in children care access. And also remember that New Jersey will tentatively starting issuing benefits from the month of September through November in late February. Once again guys, these are estimated dates, and then we have additional information as well for those in the state of North Carolina regarding children under the age of 6 and also school age children. So North Carolina state estimated that it will issue $41.8 million to approximately 496,840 school children for school closure and reductions in attendance and hours extending from September 2022 through May of 2023. North Carolina estimates that it will issue $63.3 million to approximately 203,000 SNAP enrolled child in child care from September 2022 through May of 2023. North Carolina will tentatively start issuing benefit from the month of September through January in the month of Feb. And once again guys, these are estimated dates. We also have the state of Vermont information for school age children and children under the age of 6. So the state of Vermont estimates that it will issue $9.4 million to an average monthly 18,000 school children for school closure and reductions in attendance and hours standing from September through June of 2023. Now state of Vermont estimated that it will issue $3.1 million to approximately 9,000 SNAP enrolled children in child care from September all the way through June Vermont will tentatively start issuing benefits for the month of September through January in the month of April, and as a quick reminder, these are also estimated dates. And then for those in the state of Wisconsin, when it comes to school age children and children under the age of 6, Wisconsin was the first state to have in school PBT plan approved by the federal government for 2022-2023 school year. Details about this year program will be shared in early 2023. So the state of Wisconsin estimates that it will issue $75.3 million to approximately 80,000 school children for school closure reduction in attendance and hours extending from August all the way through June of 2023. The state of Wisconsin also estimates that it will issue $35 million to approximately 95,000 SNAP enrolled children in child care from September all the way through June of 2023. And moving on to information regarding the summer 2023 PBT benefits, here we have the official announcement from the USDA website, and on these documents they are releasing important information. They are even talking about the benefits level, meaning how much student, whether their school age or children on the under the age of 6, can receive during the summer of 2023. So due to 2023 Consolidated Appropriation Act, state can now submit a PBT plan for summer 2023 without a school year 2022 through 2023. PBT plan for school children or children in child care. So when it comes to the benefit amount, according to the documents, they are saying if you living within the contiguous United States, you can receive up to $120 when it comes to the summer 2023 PBT benefit. And of course, that's only if your child is eligible for those benefits. Then it's also Alaska $188, Hawaii, Guam, Virgin Island, Puerto Rico, America, Samoa, and North Marina Island $139. So moving on to the state stimulus check, starting off with state of Maine. Here we are actually on their .gov website. Officer Governor Jan T. Mills, and they are already releasing information regarding the winter energy relief payment, which by the way are of $450 direct checks to eligible Maine individuals. So the winter energy relief payments are $450 to buy checks to the eligible Maine individual. It's the fastest, more direct way to get help to Maine people by putting money back into their pockets to help with the high energy prices this winter. So if two individuals filed a joint 2021 Maine individual income tax return and their combined federal adjusted gross income was less than $200,000 each, then each spouse will receive a $450 payment totaling up to $900 on estimate 880000 eligible. Many individuals will receive these payments, and then to be eligible, individuals must have to 1 followed by October 31st of 2022 a Maine income tax as a full year residence of the state for the tax 2021, or reported a federal adjusted gross income for the next tax year 2021 of less than $100,000 for a single individual, or $200,000 for individual filing a married joint return. And there is a new proposal on the table by the governor of those in the states of New Mexico. So the governor is actually proposing a new $750 tax rebate. New Mexico has billions and surplus fund to spend, and ahead of the legislative session starting next week, Governor Michael has released her recommendation on how to cash in the state upcoming budget. She actually wants $1 billion to go right back to New Mexican pockets. This means that the proposed budget is passed, single filing adults would receive $750 and then joint filer would get $1,500. The budget also includes rises for school staffs and money to pay for school employees. And that is all the update that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification bell button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you guys next time.